When I was a kid, I used to hear my grandmother chant Sanskrit mantras every morning. I never understood them, but there was something in the way her voice echoed, steady, calm, almost like a song the house had memorized. Now fast forward to today, scientists are trying to stop quantum computers from freaking out. These computers are powerful, way more than anything we've used before, but they're also super sensitive. Even the tiniest disturbance makes them mess up, like trying to balance a drop of water on a thread during an earthquake. And here's where things get weird. Some people believe certain sounds, especially ancient chants, might actually help stabilize these machines. I'm talking about Sanskrit mantras. Yeah, the same ones we've heard at temples and during prayers since forever. Sounds like a stretch, right? But think about it. Why do babies calm down when you hum a lullaby? Why does your heartbeat slow when someone talks to you in a soft, rhythmic voice? Sound has power, not just emotionally, physically. Quantum computers use qubits, which are like super delicate switches that can be in many states at once. Keeping them in place is like trying to stack marbles on a trampoline. Some researchers are trying to use rhythm and vibration, like patterns from mantras, to stabilize them. Crazy thing is, this isn't just theory. Teams working with companies like Rigveda and Qblocks are testing new ways to keep qubits stable using optical signals. It's still early, but we're talking about using controlled light and even rhythmic pulses. Stuff that feels oddly similar to structured chants. Meanwhile, there's this project called Astra by Google. It's building AI that doesn't just respond to what you say, but understands how you say it, sees what you see, maybe even picks up the emotion in your tone. Makes you wonder, if AI becomes smart enough to think, feel, and react, should it be taught ancient texts? Should it chant the Gayatri mantra? Imagine your smart assistant not just replying to you, but sitting beside you during meditation, humming an ancient verse in sync with your breath. Not just solving math, but touching something deeper, something spiritual. Are we training machines to become more like us? Or are we slowly becoming more like them? That question haunts me. And every time I hear someone chant Om, I wonder, is it just a sound? Or is it a key we've had all along, echoing through time, waiting for a machine to finally respond? If this made your heart skip a beat, don't forget to stick around. This is just the beginning of a much bigger conversation.